Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. By 2025, AI isn't just the future, it's the ultimate sidekick for building passive income. Today, I'm breaking down 2 AI-powered side hustles that help me earn $1,000 per month on autopilot. Let's dive in. Ebooks are still a goldmine, but AI now does 90% of the work. Here's how to launch yours in 2025. Step 1. Niche selection. Use AI tools like ChatGPT 5 or Jasper to brainstorm high-demand, low-competition niches. Example: generate 10 ebook ideas in the self-improvement niche for busy professionals. Pro tip: target niches with 3,000 plus monthly searches. Check Google Keyword Planner. Step 2. Generate content. Feed your outline to Sudowrite or Copy.ai to draft chapters. Prompt: write a 1,500-word chapter on 5 AI tools to boost productivity in a casual tone. Edit lightly for flow. AI isn't perfect yet. Step 3. Design and format. Use MidJourney 2.0 or DALL-E 4 for eye-catching covers. Prompt: minimalist cover for a keto diet ebook, vibrant colors. Format interiors with Canva Docs or Atticus. Step 4. Publish and automate. Upload to Amazon KDP. Set price between $4.99 to $9.99. Run AI-driven Amazon ads, tools like Publish Drive, to target readers. Step 5. Scale. Repurpose content into audiobooks using Peak.ai, then sell on Audible. Dropshipping isn't dead, it's just fully automated now. Here's the 2025 blueprint. Step 1. Find winning products. Use AutoDS or Peak.ai to scan TikTok/Instagram trends. Example: AI-powered yoga mats or solar-powered phone chargers. Step 2. Build your store. Create a Shopify store in 1 hour using AI templates. Tool: PageGenius.ai. Generate product descriptions with ChatGPT 5. Step 3. Automate inventory and orders. Connect suppliers via AdCreative.ai or Sparkit. Use AI inventory managers like Restock Pro to prevent stockouts. Step 4. Market with AI. Launch self-optimizing ads with AdCreative.ai for Facebook/Google. Deploy a Tidio chatbot to answer 24/7 customer queries. Step 5. Scale with AI analytics. Tools like Triple Whale predict top-performing products. Reinvest profits into AI-curated influencer campaigns. Platform: Upfluence. Combine these hustles, and you're looking at $1,000 plus per month with just 5 to 10 hours of upfront work. The key? Let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on scaling. Drop a comment below if you want a deep dive on either of these. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more 2025 income hacks. Links to all tools in description. Why this works in 2025. AI content quality has improved, reducing editing time. Hyper-automated dropshipping tools minimize manual tasks. Niche markets are easier to target with AI analytics.